everyone. Ghost to Mars 83. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today is Wednesday, August 30th, 2017 at 5 o'clock a.m. And I am actually headed to my hunting spot. I'm about probably 25 minutes out. And I am excited because I'm hoping I'll see something today. And the temperature is actually a little lower than it was yesterday. It's actually showing 66 degrees, and that's really, really good. Normally when the temperature drops, the deer normally move a little more. And of course, later in the season is when I'll start seeing the majority of the deer and actually start harvesting more deer. But I'm hoping today is going to be a really fun, interesting hunt. And I definitely can't wait. So you all just stand by, and hopefully we should have a really good hunt. So listen, so I was just about to pack up because I've got a couple other spots I gotta go check. And apparently a deer is actually about to come out of the woods and started blowing off. I just had I had my camera already in my bag. I took it back out to see if I could catch it on video, but I couldn't. But yeah, I apparently spooked when I This has been an awesome day. Just think, the season's not even over yet.